Hello students, I am here with another topic for the class plus one of chapter 4, that is principle of mathematical induction. In this case we already discussed about the algorithm, that how you can solve the problems related by the principle of mathematical induction, how you can prove the mathematical statements that whether they are true or not, and the algorithm by which mean you can find the proof of the mathematical statement that whether they are true or not. Okay, we already discussed about the previous two types. That is, first one is like this, that's operations on a single term, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to so on n, and is equal to what actually n plus 1. We already proved that this statement is true by the principle of mathematical induction. Again, next है, it's a type second. ये भी प्रूव कर चुके हैं. It's like a multiplication of two terms. It's already proved that this statement is true by the principle of mathematical induction. Now, in this lecture, we have to discuss about the third type of this chapter, that is actually type 3. In this type, आपके questions कैसे आएंगे? That you have to prove that this term is divisible by 7. In this case, you don't have any equation like these two types. Here you have 2 raised to power 3k minus 1 is divisible by 7. Same algorithm, you have to follow the steps. That is, step 1, you have to prove it for n is equal to 1. Here you have n here. Clear? Put 2 raised to power 3 into 1 minus 1, that is 2 raised to power 3 minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, that you have 7. 7 is what? Actually divisible by 7. Okay? So this condition is true for n is equal to 1. Again, for n is equal to k, you have to prove like this. No, don't have to prove, you have to assume for the k, n is equal to k. Okay? Second step यही था कि आपको n is equal to k के लिए आपको उसको assume करना पड़ेगा. In this case, you have 2 raised to power 3k minus 1 is equal to what? It's very important, that is 7n. 7l सभी के डाउट होगा ये कैसे आ गया, हमें कुछ भी ऐसा गिवन नहीं था. बट मैंने अभी बोला है कि आपको अज्यूम करना पड़ेगा. अज्यूम करने का मतलब ये है रजे कि if you have n is equal to k, then if you put the value of n as a k, then this term must be true. This condition must be true, that this term must be divisible by 7. If this term is divisible by 7, then you have to know about that. If any term is divisible by 7, suppose 7 is divisible by 21 is divisible by 7, then 7, अगर 7 21 को डिवाइड कर रहा है तो मतलब वो टर्म उसके मल्टीपल में पड़ी, एज अ मल्टीपल पड़ी होगी. 21 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 7 into 3. सो 7 जो टर्म उसको डिवाइड कर रही है वो एज अ मल्टीपल पड़ी होगी. अगर वो टर्म एज अ मल्टीपल नहीं है, दिस इंप्लाइज वो टर्म उसको डिवाइड नहीं कर पाएगी. अगर कोई नंबर किसी की डिविजिबल है, that number must be in a multiple form of that number. Okay, so in this case you have n is equal to k. अगर वो multiple में है, then you can write it like this: 7 into something. Something is what actually l. L is an integer, कुछ भी हो सकता है, वो हमें उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं. ठीक है जी. Now n is equal to k plus 1. You have to prove this term. इसको मैं you have to use this term in k plus 1. इसको मैं use करना है. For this, 2 raised to power 3k plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to power 3k into 2 raised to power 3 minus 1. ये सभी को पता है, it's a exponential term. Exponential मतलब it's a exponent. ठीक है, ये exponents की रूल है. Now ये 10th में पढ़े थे आपने. 2 raised to power 3k. You have to take the value of 2 raised to power 3k from here like this. That is 2 raised to power 3k is equal to 7l plus 1. 1 को उधर लेके. Put it here. 7l plus 1 into 8 actually minus 1. 7l into 8 plus 8 minus 1. 7l into 8 minus 1 is actually plus 7. Take common and this is proved. How? हमें प्रूव करना था कि इस टर्म को 7 डिवाइड करता है, that this term is divisible by 7. And in the last we have answer that 7 is a multiple of that number. If any number is in a multiple of that number, then that number can divide, should divide, या must divide, you can say, this numbers 2. Got it? It's also true. अगर 7 इसके डिविजिबल में है तो उसको डिवाइड करेगा ना. फर्स्ट भी ट्रू हो गया, सेकंड को ज्यूम कर लिया और सेकंड को मान के हमने थर्ड को भी प्रूव कर दिया. So that's your answer. That is called PMI, Principle of Mathematical Induction. It's now time for the type 4. Here you have like this. कैसे कर सकते हो? Type 4 इतनी ज़्यादा important नहीं है, but you have to know about this. That is 2n is greater than n. You have to prove this one. For every n belongs to n. This small term belongs to n. N is what actually set of natural numbers. ये n natural numbers को belong करता है कि it's any number in a natural numbers set. Clear? You have to prove that the 2n is greater than, always 2n is greater than n, or n is n belongs to natural numbers. सिर्फ natural numbers की बात कर रही हो. Same cases for n is equal to 1, you have to prove n1 greater than 1, that is 2 is greater than 1. It's true. 2 बड़ा होता है 1 से, so it's true. तो first condition true होगी है. N is equal to k, you have to assume this, that is 2k is greater than k. Clear? Use करना है आपने for the third condition, that is n is equal to k plus 1. You have to put it, n is equal to 2 raised to power 3, k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1. Clear? Here you have 2k into 2 greater than k plus 1. 2k is what here? Is greater than k. अगर 2k greater than है k से, तो इससे greater than होगा. You can write it like this. 2 into k is greater than k plus 1. 2 into k. You can write 2k as, अब 2k को क्या लिख सकते हो? k plus k is greater than k plus 1. And this is true. Double time of k plus 1 से हमेशा बड़ा होगा. For every natural number, कोई भी natural number आप put कर सकते हो यहाँ पे. Clear है जी? बड़ा हो जाएगा, so it's true. This condition is true. Clear? So that's a fourth type. ये इतनी important नहीं है. You have to go along with these types. And if you have any problem with these two types or any other previous types of the fourth chapter, you can concern with me. Otherwise, your chapter, this chapter is over. Clear? Any query you can contact with me. And अब मिलते हैं नए लेक्चर पे, नए चैप्टर पे. वो है आपका 6th चैप्टर, दैट इज इनइक्वालिटीज. क्लियर है जी? तब तक के लिए कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग एंड स्टे बाय.